Why most traders lose money in Forex? Here's a fact most people don't want to hear. Over 90% of Forex traders lose money. And it's not because of the market is unfair. It's because they approach trading the wrong way. Today, I'm going to break down the real reasons traders fail and how you can avoid becoming one of them. Come in the wrong mindset. Most beginners come in with the wrong mindset. They see Forex is a quick way to get rich. They over leverage chase signals and treat trading like gambling instead of a business. They lack risk management, risking 20 to 30% of the one trade. Risking 20 to 30% of their account in one trade means one wrong move can wipe them out. They don't have a structured trading plan. They rely on luck, emotions, or someone else's signals. Successful traders survive because of discipline, risk control, patience, and consistency. If you keep trading without risk management, without plan, without a right way, without plan, without a right mindset, it's only a matter of time before your accounts gets blown. That's why so many beginners quit within the first 6 months. This is Abdullah Malik, turning traders into professionals. If you are serious about not just survive, but actually winning in Forex, follow this journey. Follow this journey, like, subscribe, and share. Follow this journey, like, subscribe, and share because this is just a beginning of transforming your trading into a business.